day. If you wake up feeling tired, scrolling through your phone or rushing through your tasks without a plan, your day will be chaotic and unproductive. But if you wake up with a purpose, with a routine that fuels your mind and body, your entire day transforms. Success does not begin when opportunities come. It begins with the discipline and structure you create in your daily life. And it all starts with a powerful morning routine. Most people live on autopilot. They wake up at the last minute, drag themselves out of bed, and rush through their morning just to survive the day. They do not take time to prepare their minds, to set their goals, or to focus on growth. And then they wonder why they feel stuck, why they never achieve what they truly want. The answer is simple. Success is not built in one big moment. It is built in the small, daily actions that shape your mindset and habits. Your morning is the foundation of your day. If your foundation is weak, everything that follows will be unstable. That is why the most successful people in the world have strict morning routines. They understand that what you do in the first hour of your day determines how you think, how you feel, and how you perform for the rest of the day. Imagine two people waking up at the same time. One hits the snooze button multiple times, checks their phone first thing in the morning, and rushes to get ready without any plan. The other wakes up with intention, spends a few moments in silence, reads something inspiring, moves their body, and sets clear goals for the day. Who do you think will have a more productive, focused, and successful day? The answer is obvious. A powerful morning routine does not have to be complicated. It just needs to be intentional. It should include activities that prepare your mind for growth and success. One of the best ways to start your day is with silence. Taking a few moments to reflect, to be grateful, or to simply breathe. Instead of reaching for your phone and flooding your mind with distractions, give yourself space to focus on what truly matters. Reading is another powerful habit that should be a part of your morning. Even if it is just 10 pages, the knowledge you gain every day compounds over time. Imagine reading a book a month. How much would your mindset and perspective grow in a year? Feeding your mind with positive and valuable information every morning sets you up to think differently and make better decisions throughout the day. Moving your body is just as important. Exercise is not just for fitness, it is for mental clarity, energy, and confidence. Even a short walk, stretching, or a quick workout can make a huge difference in how you feel. When you move your body, you activate your mind. You create momentum. You start your day with strength, and that strength carries into everything you do. Another key part of a morning routine is setting goals. Do not just wake up and let the day happen to you. Decide what you want to achieve. Write down your top 3 priorities. Visualize your success. When you start your day with a clear direction, you are far more likely to stay focused and take action. Your morning routine is your secret weapon. It is a difference between those who control their day and those who let the day control them. It is not about how much time you have. It is about how you use it. Even if you only have 30 minutes in the morning, you can use that time to build habits that change your life. Do not underestimate the power of your mornings. Do not waste them on distractions or meaningless activities. Use them to build discipline, to educate yourself, and to prepare your mind for success. Because how you start your day is how you live your life. The people you surround yourself with determine your mindset, your beliefs, and ultimately, your future. If you spend your time with people who complain, who make excuses, who see problems instead of possibilities, then you will start thinking the same way. But if you surround yourself with knowledge through books, through inspiring conversations, through learning from those who have achieved greatness, then you will start thinking, growing, and living differently. Success is not just about hard work. It is also about what you allow into your mind. Most people do not realize how much their environment affects them. They believe they are making their own choices, but in reality, their decisions are shaped by the voices around them. If you are constantly hearing negativity, doubt, and limitations, then your mind starts to believe it. But if you fill your mind with wisdom, motivation, and ideas that challenge you to grow, then you will rise beyond your circumstances. You do not have to be born into the right environment to succeed. You can create your own environment by choosing what you expose your mind to. Read books that expand your thinking. Listen to speakers who inspire you. Engage in conversations that push you to see life from a higher perspective. You have control over what influences you. The question is, are you choosing influences that build you up or ones that hold you back? There is a reason why successful people are always reading. They understand that knowledge is the key to transformation. A single idea from a book can change the way you see your challenges. A single conversation with the right person can shift your entire perspective. The more you learn, the more options you create for yourself. Ignorance keeps you stuck, but knowledge gives you the power to move forward. But it is not just about reading, it is about application. Knowledge alone will not change your life. You have to use what you learn. If you read about discipline but do not practice it, if you listen to motivation but do not take action, then it means nothing. Every piece of knowledge you gain should be followed by a step forward. Look at your circle. Are the people around you pushing you to be better? Are they challenging you to grow, to think bigger, to take action? Are they comfortable in their limitations and dragging you down with them? The truth is, you do not need to cut people out of your life, but you do need to be intentional about who you give the most space to. If the people closest to you are not helping you grow, then make sure you are surrounding yourself with knowledge that does. The great thing about today's world is that knowledge is everywhere. You do not need to be in a university or have a mentor by your side to learn. The internet has made it possible to learn from the greatest minds in history, from the most successful people in every industry. If you want to grow, all you have to do is seek it out, listen to interviews, study biographies, find role models who have already achieved what you want. Success leaves clues. And if you're paying attention, you can follow the path they have created. Your time is your most valuable resource. Do not waste it on meaningless conversations, pointless entertainment, or people who do not support your growth. Instead, invest it in knowledge. Choose books over gossip. Choose learning over complaining. Choose growth over